So guys, this is the dashboard of my website, Hi Tutorial and Sidekids. So here I have like all of visitor from the last 28 days, and as you can see we have location and mostly from United States and Germany, Pakistan and India and the other countries. So channel mostly from direct and organic social, organic search and organic videos probably are from YouTube, and devices and mostly from computer and desktop. So the content, yes, I have publishing some of new tutorial about English courses, and my old niche of course is about get free backlinks and yes, SEO, yes, something related to digital marketing and making a website accepted by Google AdSense and make money online. So here the page index of the Google Search Console, yes, so mostly yes, pages are not indexed and only 32 are indexed because for a long time I haven't updated yes anything. Yes, I was yes very busy, some of the other situation, family problems. So anyway guys, here the dashboard of the Ahrefs application, the free mode. So Hi Tutorial as health score 95, and the domain rating, so referring domain are getting higher, so I have plus 67, and also the backlinks and the general performance on my website according to the Ahrefs. Okay, let's wait a little bit so the data to be complete, and here is so the total click is around 560, and the total expression, yes, it's almost very nice. The CTR, the average and the position, look, yes, as I said, for a long time I haven't checked yes anything, to be honest, just publishing some of English tutorial content on my website. Yes, and as you can see here, some of new yes article related to English. Yes, so for example, this is the something new about my website, and it's still connected to Google AdSense, and I'm still able to generate some of money, just small amount of money, because as I said again, yes, I'm not into yes. So guys, yeah, hope you can like this video, and in future, yes, I'm going to publish more content about Google AdSense, Google Search Console and SEO, getting free backlinks. So guys, hope you like this quick video, and I hope to see you in the next one.